Your heart is racing. Your palms are sweating. That exam is tomorrow, and your brain is screaming at you to run. But here's what most students don't realize. That fear you're feeling, it's not your enemy. It's rocket fuel you haven't learned to use yet. So where does study fear actually come from? Neuroscientist Joseph LeDoux spent decades mapping this. Your amygdala, that almond-shaped structure deep in your brain, evolved to detect threats. The problem? It can't tell the difference between a lion and a calculus final. To your ancient brain, both trigger the same alarm. A 2016 study in psychological science found that 61% of students experience debilitating test anxiety. That's not weakness, that's your survival system misfiring. But here's where it gets interesting. Harvard researcher Alison Wood Brooks discovered something counterintuitive. When she told participants to say, "I am excited," instead of "I am calm" before a stressful task, their performance improved dramatically. Why? Because anxiety and excitement are almost identical physiologically. Same racing heart, same heightened alertness. The only difference is the story you tell yourself about what that feeling means. So how do you actually convert fear into fuel? Here are 3 techniques backed by research. First, name it to tame it. UCLA studies show that simply labeling your emotion, saying, "I notice I'm feeling anxious," reduces amygdala activity by up to 50%. Second, channel the energy. That cortisol and adrenaline flooding your system, it's there to help you perform. Use it. Start studying immediately when you feel the fear spike. Third, shrink the threat. Break your material into tiny chunks. Your brain fears the unknown. Make it known, piece by piece. This isn't just theory. In her book, The Upside of Stress, Stanford psychologist Kelly McGonigal reviewed studies showing that people who view stress as helpful rather than harmful have 43% lower risk of stress-related health problems. They also perform better under pressure. The fear doesn't disappear. You just stop fighting it and start riding it. Quick recap. Fear comes from your amygdala misreading exams as threats. Anxiety and excitement are physiologically twins. You choose the label. Name your fear, channel the energy, shrink the task. And remember, at Neurobites, we're building a community of students who don't run from the hard stuff. They use it. See you in the next one.